Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today we're going to be checking out an old friend of ours, Microsoft News. So Microsoft News is now formally called Microsoft Start. So Microsoft did redesign the app and the platform of Microsoft News to now Start, which is an interesting name, but it works. So let's check out the app and the new update. So when you open up the app now, you're welcome to a new setup here on your home page. So this is your home feed pretty much. So right here on top, you have these little mini like toolbars or like sections in the app that open up different parts of the application. So now you have a dedicated esports section. So if you like esports, then you have esports. And what's really cool about this app is that it also supports the Twitch is here. So you can actually watch your Twitch players stream right within the app as well and watch other streamers as well. So which is really neat. And if you're into all this esports, you could follow all your favorite esports teams right within the app. So it's actually really insane that Microsoft was able to like do all this stuff. So yeah, it's just interesting, and of course you get the news as well from Esports News here, which is really cool as well, and it's just super interesting. Like I'm not really into the esports stuff yet, but yeah, it's just really cool that you can do that. So we go back to the home page. Of course, you still have the wallpaper section right here. So if you like wallpapers from Bing and all that, then you'll still get those as well right within the app. So you could go and download the app and then download the wallpaper and add it to your home screen. But if you want a solid color, now there's an option for solid color as well. So if you're looking for a yellow, then you have a yellow color, then you can just click the download icon right there to save this wallpaper for your iPhone setup, which is really neat. And then of course here you have your explore page. So on your explore page here, you can add whatever you want in different pins. So if you want to add a new pin, you can just, you just click on new pin and then just click this and there you go. And it's done. And then from there, you just click done and you're good to go. So yeah, you get to add whatever tip you want here and then click on the COVID-19 tracker right here, which of course depending on where you live, it will track. So I live in Canada of course, so it will show me only Canadian facts right now. And it's really cool. And then of course, since it is still Microsoft Start now, it still shows the news from the old Microsoft News, which there's a tab right here. So on your homepage, of course, you get to see news, of course, depending on what you like and everything from all the stuff that you customized in the app. And then from here, the news section is your pretty much your For You page. So there's a little bit much more detailed information of all the stuff that you like. So depending on what you like, so if you like business, stocks, technology news, all that stuff, you could do edit right here and then click on edit to quickly change what you want to see or add topics as well to your For You page. And then right here you have your top stories. So these are just top stories from around Canada here. Business news. So I watch a lot of business stuff and read a lot of business stuff. So of course it makes sense for me to add that stuff. Technology page, of course, to see the latest iPhone rumors and everything that's coming out and for next week's event. I can stay up to date right within the app. So yeah, it makes sense now that Microsoft did customize this application and rebrand it to now Microsoft Start, since it's not just a news application no more. You get to watch the weather, you get to play games now. COVID-19 tracker, there's a wallpaper section, there's shopping, there's a math little platform right there to help you with math and translation. So it's an all-in-one app that Microsoft is trying to do. So the update is available now to iPhone users, to Android users, and even also on the web as well. So if you want to read Microsoft Start, you can do it on the web as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, it will mean the world to me that you'll hit the like button, because that does help. Hit the subscribe button as well. And as always, I'll see you guys later. Peace.